Happy Monday and happy February 1st. About to head into work right now. I'm gonna pick up some 7-Eleven pizza. My hours have been cut, but for the last 2 months I worked as many 60-hour weeks as I can, 50 and 60-hour weeks, and I'm on my way to my lift kit. I'm headed over to Weldtec tomorrow. When I get up, I'll head out to Weldtec and get a quote for the lift kit. I just want to tell you guys that your comments, if you followed my original van or you're following my new van and checking out my V10 Econoline project playlist, I appreciate the comments where you guys tell me that I inspired you guys to get a lift kit, I made you guys check out vans, consider a van, or I inspired you to go on more road trips. I love those comments. I'm just a blue collar guy doing my best in life. I have no sponsors. My YouTube channel is pretty small, but I enjoy talking about cars. I enjoy sharing my van. And finally, I'm about to get my lift kit. This last paycheck, or this next coming paycheck, should push me over the edge. And then the month of January, I started my blue collar supercar series with my Z06. I picked up a few new subscribers due to my new series, blue collar supercar. So if you subscribe to my channel for the blue collar supercar, welcome to my channel. This is the main project on my channel though, my van. And then to wrap up February, I mean the month just started, but there shouldn't be too many van stuff in February. March is going to be a big month though. So for February, I'll talk about a bunch of racing games. Like I love talking about cars. I got this game, Volvo Racing, Volvo for life. I know nothing about Volvos, but here's a Volvo video game. I'll learn something new. And then I got Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 3. The reason I got this game is it has a C5 Corvette and there's in-dash views for this game. So I want to see if they got the dash right for C5 Corvettes. So month of February is going to be a busy month in terms of my videos. I'll talk about racing games, and I have a few ideas for the blue collar supercar. Started filming a few new videos for that series, but March is going to be the big one. You're going to see the lift kit for this van in March. I just got to get my quote and make an appointment. Alright, I'm going to get my pizza now, then I'm going to head to work.